everyone. You know what? Today, not be greeting matter I can't do for you. Mona pardon me my manners. When person see waiting person, waiting be greeting. Eh? Today, waiting carry me come here, not be small thing. No. You guys, I need to sit down carefully and listen because this one I don't pass my power. Throughout this week, I have been so busy. Ask me what I dey do. Now, Kemi Auntie, sorry ma. I know you've won. Nobody should call you Auntie Kemi. Dr. Kemi Ololoyo. Now, it matter with Sister Chioma matter. Chioma, that is Davido girlfriend, the baby mama. We all know her now. I don't need to do further more introduction. She all know what everybody know her worldwide as Davido's girlfriend. Now there are two matter again. Oh. We all know, everybody know how this Dr. Kemi and Davido take dig matter for years. Every time you see Kemi come Instagram, come out, you understand that Davido matter carry and come. He wore that young man, whoa. He say, okay, he don't forgive her now. He give them their blessing. Why he come be saying now when he can't give them their blessing, and now Chioma one can carry her leg come out again. Now this one come they make me the verse from inside. He say don't bless them or he don't forgive. Even tell the time when Chioma even get picking self, born picking, he say one can do a mugo. He want to take care of picking. I don't know that Chioma no can invite. I don't know what it can happen. We no come here again. Everything can die down now. I just this within my own JJL this week. Now I get a lot notification say Chioma and Dr. Kemi don't start again. No. This one, I blessing that Chioma now just start. I don't know. Auntie Kemi don't resign, don't give you blessing. Why be saying now quarrel one start? Now I can call Auntie Kemi. Now I can say, Dr. Kemi, what is going on now? I thought you have forgiven these two young lovebirds. What is happening now? He said, "What me no see waiting your man talk? Make I go see, make I go read down. What that making forward down to me? Now say Auntie me forward down to me. Then she forward down to me. Now I can't read down. He say that is Choma now. Now they talk now. Chef Choma, the chef. Chef. He say, if I decide to arrest you now be Auntie Kemi. He say people go say I be wicked person, I be bad person. He say because of all the things when they talk about me and my husband. He say it's unfair. He say be warned though. Now Choma now they talk to Kemi. So now that one now Auntie Kemi say we make am verse. Now I can say what you come they bring all this one now, Auntie Kemi? He say make I go warn Chioma. He say make they go warn now. Auntie Kemi can say when they come pay him pass for the matter, he say Chioma come they call Davido his husband. He say who give her husband? And true, now me come to Auntie Kemi say I think I resonate with you. We can't talk the matter. Say and na true. How you call somebody husband will be say now as it be your baby father now say all of una get right to drag am here and there because now baby father now just ring when you buy for Osho the market. Now you put for your hand. Ring. What the ring want do now? Father not to say in the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. We know hear that one happen. Court, we know hear say the court say they recognize just you and the man as the legitimization. I don't talk this one that time. No certificate to legitimize it. Me I use that grammar. Hey, I don't come again. I bet me I don't use my grammar. Scatter people here, Jare. No court wey legitimize am. And we no still hear where elders like all those àwọn baba àwọn baba tó nílé àwọn baálé where they for drink come pray for now. We no see anything like that. That's it. What you want call on your husband for? He say make you hang out there. He said that word no use am again. He said that one penny. He said then that aside. He said Chioma come say he want arresting. He say you say now everybody go feel arrested. He say because that one when it happen that time. You say you know why it happen. How it happen? You say now everybody go just arrest Auntie Kemi, just take her to jail. He say so many they go warn them very well. He say because if he start again, now say okay, I go deliver message I go deliver message. I can't they try to they get Chioma since now Chioma bounce off from my head. He no one answer me. Now it be the fight where they carry throughout the week. This one no easy because I don't want make anything come out because Auntie Kemi say if she no stay her lane, he say sex video. Me I suffer talker. He say sex video. That is where Chioma and Peruzzi. I think when I hear this matter that time when they say Peruzzi, Some say na Chioma cousin. Igbo people. I trust those my people. They know how to. You say na cousin. You remember those days when people man go say na my sister, na my sister, na my sister. You go they cook for you, they wash your clothes, they do everything. Meanwhile, na correct wife, na material, na be that. So I don't know. Say they do one with a man again. Oh. Say na him brother, oh, but they say that they do combined service. Oh, me I don't know. Waiting my eye nose rich. Now so my own take different. I know they talk am. So auntie come, I say that I just bend down low. He say where they for they do the thing, in get the video. He say if Chioma make parent again, go bring her come out. He say una say to get American visa, all the money where Davido and the Adelekes get, he say he go buy am. He say why they never get am since. He say and the reason why Chioma never fit enter America. At least Chioma I still better pass you. If I want go America now, I go. You see? Poor man get wetin get where rich man no get, and rich man get wetin poor man no get. So this life e no go make dem dey laugh person. That's one thing to also note. And I know many people where they say now when be say one wait, I want to talk one motor keke they no get. But if you say make they go America today, they get the criteria where they fit enter America. But this man Tina has money full garish. He don't fit enter America. So Kemelolo you say make him go expose the reason why this girl never fit enter America sis. As they thought they work out, they follow Davido Rich. And again, he go release that combined service video where he and Peruzzi for the do the thing live and direct. I called the one that say was Auntie Kemi there when the combined service was going on. I be how you take get the combined service? I said this man said nothing when you know go talk. Auntie Kemi, that one a very big one. Oh, I couldn't look for Chioma. Oh. Throughout the week, I have many things I supposed to have been doing. I just put them aside. I say pause because I don't want to make this dancing. Make her video come out for because if it come out, it go be very devastating. I have been trying to get Chioma since throughout the week. So I have been so busy. That is why I even wanted to upload a video through the week. But because of this matter, I take it as a priority. And as a matter of urgency, I need somebody to get in touch with Chioma for me because I need to deliver this message. Or if you can at least share this video and make sure it gets your attention because Auntie Kemi have spoken. The fear of Auntie Kemi, Chioma, listen. The fear of Auntie Kemi is the beginning of wisdom, because she have threatened to release. How they say they speak that grammar? Incriminating. Is it incriminating? Very bad video, the baddest, where combined service, where the thing, I can imagine how the thing happen. He want release them, and if you release them, now be say your own don't finish your tita, your own don't finish. So that's me. I can't drop on for you. Whoever know Chioma, if you are her friend, you are her fan, please look for her. Dr. Kemi, is about to release videos of herself and Peruzzi when they were doing combined service. And she's also about to spill the very truth behind her inability to enter United States of America. So that is why I just say I should come here, my people. I know some of us might take this threat as just now one of those things when Auntie Kemi they talk or this thing. My people, I know not take this threat like not take them lightly, because if you know you love Chioma and you be her fan, you better go and deliver it. I don't know why she's not picking my call. She probably thought I'm taking side with Kemi also. I'm not taking side. I'm just a messenger going back and forth and relaying the messages. So please get it across to her. It's not a threat. And we all know Auntie Kemi. When Auntie Kemi is out for you, she dey dig the matter, reach the end. We all know that case of that pastor. Because that pastor case when he happened that and when that lady came out to say he raped her. Many, not to mention, but many of them like that. At the end of the day, when we say and we say this woman, at least 80% of her gist they be true. So take her seriously. You understand? When she keeps saying hammering on one particular thing, and you, Chioma, when you know say this woman get your secret, he get the video. except say you feel say she dey talk lie o. But if you know say she get the video, why you dey come out now? Eh? Come dey awaken the sleeping dogs. Eh? She has so much to say. Many things when she tell me, Auntie Kemi told me, that I don't even want to spill here. It's so lengthy. Eh? It's so lengthy. He talk many things. He talk many things. He even talk and say, David don't want to marry you. He say, if David don't want to marry you, if he don't marry you since, he say, may you grow up. He say, you don't even believe, say, your parents, they advise you well. Eh? He say, you never achieve one single thing ever since he know you. Of course, you have a baby for Davido now. That will not be achievement. Ah, Auntie Kemi, why they talk like that? And her name don't go wide and far. Africa, worldwide. And is that not an achievement? I beg. Ah, what do you even define as achievement, Auntie Kemi? The girl is cruising around, even though she drop out of school, but at least she be Davido handbag. Anytime you call Davido, you catch your man, they be like Romeo and Juliet. Because you said the kitchen thing is not working. The porch, when they say they give for birthday party, they say you say na audio one, na fake. And you say she no get driving license. Even though she not get all these things, even though she drop out from school, even though she not get one thing when she dey do as a woman, but at least now she dey go tour the whole place around with Davido. She still be Davido baby mama. Is that not an achievement? She's happy. Leave her alone, Jare. Okay, as we were saying, I don't carry fight tire within the week. I don't want to come here again. I can't continue with this fight. We are carry fight rich. That one don't do. You guys, you need to settle your differences. Auntie Kemi, please, Emma Binu, don't bring that video out. Okay, don't bring that video out. Keep it. I will still try my best to try to get in touch with Choma. And if she's still not responding, then we go revisit the matter and we go see if you have to bring that video out. And again, my people, before I log off, I want to quickly touch on the issue of this marriage. Why this new generation children? Why una spoil like this? If you and man just do combined service, God can't even, yeah, I will call on God because now children, now God they bring children. God can't put fruit of the womb. You say, my husband though, if they snatch my husband though, maybe they know even, why? They know even, no diary? No, not Choma even better now. At least the man go buy one expensive ring when be say if it sparkle to the person I go nearly blind. He put on for your hand. No, nothing. You think my husband? Those olden days when we they grow up, before woman go say my husband, you go know what the woman mean. The woman go know exactly what they talk about. No be when you go open your mind, they say my husband. Another woman from behind you, they say what? Who is your husband? No be that kind of one. Be very careful how you address men as your husband. That name husband and wife now very it's not very, I don't know, how do I say it? It's sacred. It's sacred. You can't just open your mouth. Of course, let me sit there like all this our these people when they say they are skin Oyibo pepper. Before they will, you see say they did with man for 15-20 years. My boyfriend. They go even get children. They will still refer to that person as my boyfriend. For them to say my spouse, my husband, it takes a lot. It means a lot. You know, say that man don't complete the normal thing. They just open their mouth to refer to a man as their husband. And I think we should always learn that, because once you don't call man your husband, and in essence, it's not really your husband if you dig, and I just maybe just memorandum of an understanding. Maybe picking it out this thing. You start to call him my husband. Your real husband. When be say they somewhere, they scare him. That name they scare him. And now this one, you bring bad luck to yourself. So stop using that word, my husband, when there is really no like concrete, when it's not sealed. Let me put it that way. When it's really not sealed. Okay, so I just may I can't drop this one today, and I hope this video finds you well. I hope you guys are doing okay. Let me quickly remind you to please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And I just want to also use the opportunity to thank my new subscribers. And if you are here for the first time, thanks for stopping by. You are at the right place, and I will continue to update you with the latest gist, okay, that's available to me. But this Kemi or Ololo matter and Choma matter, please stay tuned. I will let you know if she still release the video. I will bring it to here for you guys to watch. If the matter still settled, I will still let you guys know. But until then, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye now.